Why is America the largest economy in the world? What if I told you that one country produces more wealth than entire continents? A country where a single company can be worth more than the economy of the many nations. How did the United States become the world's largest economy? Was it luck, geography, innovation, or something else? Stay with me because the answer might surprise you. Introduction. The United States has been the world's largest economy for decades. In 2026, America's economy is worth over $30 trillion, making it the biggest economic powerful of Earth. But America was not always rich just a few hundred years ago. It was a collection of colonies. So, how did I rise to dominate the global economy? Let's break down the key reasons. Chapter 1. A huge and resource rich land. One major reason is geography. The United States has vast amounts of fertile farmland, forest oil, natural gas, coal, and minerals. It also has major rivers like the Mississippi River, which made transportation and trade easier. Unlike many countries, America has access to both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, allowing to trade with Europe and Asia efficiently. Natural resources gave America a strong foundation of industrial growth. Chapter 2. Immigration and Human Talent. America attracted millions of immigrants from around the world. People came seeking better opportunities and brought skills, knowledge, and entrepreneurial spirit. Scientists, engineers, business owners, and workers all contributed to economic growth. Many successful American companies were founded by immigrants of their children. A large and skilled workforce helped fuel innovation and productivity. Let's start chapter 3. The Industrial Revolution. During the 19th and early 20th century, America speedily industrialized factories, products, steel, automobiles, machineries, and consumer goods on a massive scale. Innovators like Henry Ford transformed manufacturing with assembly lines. Products become cheaper and more accessible. This industrial boom turned America into a manufacturing gland. Chapter 4. Innovation and Technology. Innovators is one of America's greatest strengths. Many contributing breaking technologies originated in the United States. Companies like Apple.com, Microsoft.com, Google.com, Amazon.com, and Nvidia.com have changed how the world works. America invests heavily in research and development. Universities, startups, and corporations continuously create new products and services that generate enormous wealth. Chapter 5. The Power of the US Dollar. Another key factors is the US dollar. The dollar is the world's primary reserve currency. Countries hold dollars for trade and international transactions. Many commodities, including oil, are often priced in dollars. The global demand strengthens Americans' financial influence and helps maintain economic stability. So let's start chapter 6. Strong financial markets. America has some of the world's largest financial markets. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ companies attract investors from around the globe. Business, business can raise money more easily through stocks and bonds. This access to capital allows companies to expand, innovate, and corporate internationally. Conclusion. So why is America the largest economy in the world? Answer is just not is one thing. It's a combination of vast natural resource, immigration and talent, industrial growth, technology innovation, the power of the US dollar, strong financial markets, massive consumer spending, global influence. Together, these factors create an economic machinery unlike anything the world has ever seen. But the big question remains, will America remain number one in the future, or will rising powers like China eventually take the top spot? Tell us your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more finance economy documentaries. Thank you.